U.S. immigration backlog has constantly been a major issue, and especially green card backlogs. There has been many efforts in the past, and likewise we got great reform updates on green cards. In this video, we will talk about green card rules that relaxed, which will contribute towards issuing green cards automatically.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out with your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Now let's continue to watch the video and find out what's new in U.S. immigration. The public charge rule limits legal immigration by determining how many public benefactors are eligible for green cards and other visas. The Biden administration's relaxed green card rules, which took effect in January 2023, have been upheld by the Supreme Court and can be applied in all 50 states. This decision has sparked discussions and debates about the implications of these rules for prospective immigrants seeking permanent status in the United States. Unlike the focus on undocumented immigrants or those living in the country illegally, the automatic green card rules primarily affect those who are actively pursuing legal avenues to obtain permanent residency. Supporters of the new rules applaud them for relieving the strain on expensive public assistance programs by requiring prospective immigrants to be self-sufficient after obtaining permanent legal status. However, critics argue that the new rules may inadvertently exacerbate the difficulties faced by individuals striving to achieve permanent legal status. The concern lies in the potential impact on the approximately 500,000 immigrants who apply for green cards each year. With the implementation of the relaxed rules, a significant majority of these applicants could face an increased risk of being denied permanent legal status due to their financial circumstances. The intricate process of acquiring a green card already demands considerable effort, time, and financial resources. The introduction of stricter financial criteria may disproportionately affect individuals who face temporary economic hardships during their journey towards permanent residency. The risk of denial could lead to a significant setback for these individuals, jeopardizing their dreams and aspirations for a better future in the United States. Balancing the desire to promote self-sufficiency with the need to offer support and opportunities to those who have made significant contributions to their communities, businesses, and society as a whole remains a critical challenge. Striking the right balance in immigration policies is essential to ensuring fairness, compassion, and the protection of human rights. As the automatic green card rules continue to shape the landscape of immigration policies, ongoing discussions and evaluations will be necessary to assess their impact on the individuals involved and the broader community. So who exactly does this expanded rule affect? So the most important thing to realize is that the vast majority of immigrants are safe from this rule. So people with humanitarian visas, refugees or asylum seekers, people who are here sort of as victims of crimes or trafficking, all of those people are safe. The other important thing is that people who have their green cards already, as long as they don't leave the U.S., the USCIS's new 2023 rule impacts and scopes the USCIS's implementation of a new rule in January 2023 that has significant implications for individuals seeking legal status in the United States. While certain groups, such as those who already possess green cards, pregnant women, children, refugees, and asylum seekers, are not directly affected by this rule, its overarching aim is to modify the process of legal immigration by narrowing the eligibility criteria for green cards and other visas, referred to as the public charge rule. It specifically assesses the extent to which an immigrant can access public benefits before their application for legal status is denied. It is important to note that this rule represents a departure from the previous policy, which has now been officially rescinded with the introduction of the USCIS in January 2023. Rule changes have been made to the green card application forms to reflect the updated criteria and guidelines established under this new framework. The primary objective of the new rule is to ensure that individuals seeking legal status in the United States are self-sufficient and have the means to support themselves financially, reducing their reliance on public benefits by implementing more stringent measures. USCIS aims to strike a balance between maintaining the integrity of the immigration system and promoting self-reliance among prospective immigrants. However, this rule change has sparked debate and raised concerns regarding its potential impact on individuals who may face financial difficulties during their immigration process. Critics argue that the rule may inadvertently exclude certain individuals who, despite facing temporary financial challenges, have the potential to make significant contributions to their communities and the nation as a whole. The potential denial of legal status based on financial circumstances raises questions about fairness, inclusivity, and the protection of human rights. While the USCIS's new 2023 rule is now in effect, it is essential to closely monitor its impact and outcomes. Ongoing assessments and discussions will be crucial in order to ensure that the rule strikes an appropriate balance between fiscal responsibility and compassion, while upholding the fundamental principles of the United States. As a nation of immigrants, the U.S. and its policymakers must carefully consider the potential consequences of this rule change, weighing the need for fiscal prudence against the importance of offering support and opportunities to those who can positively contribute to the fabric of society through comprehensive evaluation and dialogue. Adjustments can be made to address any unintended consequences and promote an immigration system that upholds fairness, justice, and inclusivity as the USCIS's new 2023 rule continues to shape the landscape of immigration policies. Ongoing engagement and collaboration between stakeholders will be essential to ensuring that the rule reflects the values and aspirations of the nation while accommodating its diverse needs and circumstances. While accommodating the diverse needs and circumstances of prospective immigrants, what kinds of public benefits fall under this new definition? Yes. So that is also fairly narrow. I mean, people sort of think that there's a whole scope of benefits that are included in the U.S. Form I-485, streamlining the application process for lawful permanent resident status. In a move aimed at improving the user experience and facilitating the application process for individuals seeking lawful permanent resident status in the United States. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, has introduced updates to Form I-485, the application to register permanent residence or adjust status, along with revised form instructions. Form I-485 is a crucial document for those physically present in the United States who wish to apply for lawful permanent resident status, commonly known as obtaining a green card. While the form and its accompanying instructions have remained largely unchanged for many years, USCIS has now taken steps to enhance their usability and comprehensibility, ensuring a smoother and more accessible application process. The recent updates to Form I-485 encompass various improvements aimed at making the form more user-friendly and the instructions more helpful and easier to understand. The enhancements reflect our commitment to enhancing the overall experience of applicants and facilitating their successful transition to lawful permanent resident status by making the form more user-friendly. USCIS seeks to alleviate any potential confusion or uncertainty applicants may encounter while completing the application. The revised form instructions offer clearer guidance, providing step-by-step explanations and eliminating any ambiguities that may have existed in the previous version. This ensures that applicants have a comprehensive understanding of the requirements and procedures involved in filing the form. I-485. The updates to Form I-485 and its instructions are a testament to our commitment to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. By streamlining the application process, USCIS aims to foster efficiency, accuracy, and transparency in the assessment of applications for lawful permanent resident status. These enhancements reflect the agency's commitment to ensuring a fair and accessible immigration system that benefits both applicants and the United States as a whole. Applicants filing Form I-485 can now benefit from a more user-centric approach, allowing them to navigate the application process with greater ease and confidence. The revised form and instructions are designed to address common concerns and questions that applicants may encounter, providing them with the necessary resources and support to complete their applications accurately and efficiently. As USCIS continues to prioritize user experience and engagement, the updates to Form I-485 and its instructions mark a significant step forward in improving the overall immigration process. The agency's commitment to clarity, accessibility, and user-friendliness empowers applicants to navigate the complex immigration landscape with confidence, ensuring a fair and efficient evaluation of their eligibility for lawful permanent resident status by embracing these updates. USCIS not only enhances the application process for individuals who are permanent residents in the United States but also contributes to a more inclusive and supportive immigration system that reflects the principles of fairness, transparency, and accessibility. As applicants take advantage of the revised Form I-485 and its accompanying instructions, they can look forward to a more user-friendly experience supported by clearer guidance and improved accessibility. These updates represent a positive step toward achieving USCIS's mission of providing excellent service and promoting the integrity of the immigration system. As USCIS continues its commitment to enhancing the application process and serving the needs of applicants, it is essential for individuals to stay informed about any future updates or changes. Regularly visiting the USCIS website and consulting with legal professionals can ensure that applicants are up to date with the latest requirements and have access to the most accurate and reliable information. Continuation of the Biden administration's expanded rule. Who does it affect moving forward with the new rule implemented by the Biden administration? It is crucial to understand which individuals are impacted by this expansion to provide clarity. It is essential to highlight that the rule does not affect the vast majority of immigrants in the United States. Most immigrants are unaffected and can continue their lives without being impacted by this rule chain. The rule primarily focuses on individuals who do not fall under specific protected categories. However, it is essential to note that those with humanitarian visas, refugees, asylum seekers, and victims of crimes or trafficking are safe from the rule and are not affected. Those who have sought protection or assistance in the United States are exempt from the changes brought about by this rule. Furthermore, individuals who already possess green cards and have lawful permanent resident status will not be impacted by the rule. As long as they remain within the United States, their status and rights as green card holders remain secure, and they can continue their lives without concern. As long as they do not depart from the country. The focus of this expanded rule primarily lies on individuals who are seeking to obtain or adjust their legal status within the United States. It is designed to ensure that the immigration system is fair and that those who have already undergone the necessary processes and secured their green cards are not disadvantaged. As the Biden administration continues its efforts to reform immigration policies, it remains crucial for individuals to stay informed about any future updates or changes that may affect their specific situation. Staying updated with reliable sources of information, seeking legal counsel when needed, and being aware of one's rights and obligations within the immigration system can ensure a smooth and secure immigration journey. Let's explore the topic of automatic green cards and updates to USCIS Form 485. It's important to note that automatic green cards only apply to a limited group of immigrants. The majority of immigrants are not affected by this provision. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has recently updated its policy manual regarding automatic green cards, specifically for N-400 applicants. Under the new policy, N-400 applicants will receive automatic green card extensions for 24 months. Previously, they had to manually apply using Form I-485. This policy change applies to N-400 applications filed on or after December 12, 2022. Once an applicant receives the receipt notice, their green card will remain valid for an additional 2 years beyond the listed expiration date. As a result, applicants can use the expired green card and the NT-400 receipt notice as evidence of their status as lawful permanent residents. This includes demonstrating valid work and travel authorization. This policy change by USCIS is intended to alleviate the burden on many N-400 applicants who would have had to file Form I-90 and pay an additional USCIS filing fee. It should also help free up resources at USCIS, as officers will no longer need to spend time adjudicating these I-90 applications as immigration forms are subject to change. It's always recommended to visit the official USCIS website at uscis.gov to download the most up-to-date forms and instructions. For more information, specifically about Form I-485, you can visit us at cis.gov/I-485. The Biden administration's relaxed green card rules, effective January 2023, have been upheld by the Supreme Court, impacting prospective immigrants seeking permanent status in the U.S. These rules primarily affect individuals actively pursuing legal avenues for permanent residency with a focus on self-sufficiency and reducing reliance on public assistance. However, critics expressed concerns about the potential denial of legal status based on financial circumstances. Striking a balance between fiscal responsibility and compassion is crucial to creating a fair and inclusive immigration system that narrows eligibility criteria. While some groups are exiled, critics worry about excluding individuals who could contribute to society. Despite temporary financial challenges, ongoing assessment and dialogue are necessary to ensure fairness and inclusivity while maintaining the integrity of the immigration system. USCIS has introduced updates to Form I-485, streamlining the application process for lawful permanent resident status. The revisions aim to enhance the user experience by improving the form's usability and instructions. USCIS seeks to provide applicants with a smoother and more accessible application process, ensuring a fair and efficient evaluation of their eligibility for permanent resident status.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!